our place in universe. This topic now, everyone in the universe has different perspective of themselves about this thing, about this theory, and it's personal theory. Some people and some scientists also, think that they are nothing in the universe, because they know, there are planets, there are too many planets, there are too many galaxies, and how much even Earth is bigger than them, and there are too many planets, there are too many galaxies, and they think the universe is very vast, so they are nothing. And many scientists also think that, that maybe some alien civilization came and we didn't know because we are not smart enough. So some people think like that, we are nothing in the universe. And some people think that they are one with the universe, because our energy, because our component, our matter component, our energy component, which are we made of, our element are come from stars. So we think that we are one with the universe. So those people living in the thinking now we are one with the universe, they don't feel small, they feel one with the universe. So how, as much as the universe is bigger, they feel themselves as much as they bigger as the universe. So there are two kind of people, living in this thinking. There are two ways of living that. One is that we are too small in the universe, and one is that we are one with the universe. And people, who are living in the thinking that they are one with the universe, they are always living in universal thinking. What is universal thinking? That they don't differentiate people at the basis of, caste, color, creed, or whatever. And they are not the people who are living only for themselves. The people who are living in the universal thinking, the people who believe and who think that they more than believe, they know that because our energy component is come from start, they are nothing like believing it is fact, it is true. So people who are, one with this fact, they'll do work which will be, better for the next generation. The people who are living in this universal thinking, only these kind of people can do, universal kind of work. Not every people can. The people who think that they are nothing in the universe, what will we think? They just, pass their life, by anything, just cutting. They want to cut their life by, drinking, smoking, or whatever the way. But don't go in philosophical way. If I tell you, what are our place in this universe, if I come to the main point of what I'm going to talk now, that first of all, I personally feel that all the life in the universe are equal. I personally feel that, that there is nothing like that fish is equal. I feel that fish is equally important as, birds, and birds are equally important than animal, and animal are equally important than humans. So I feel all are equal. But if we think, we don't know that, maybe they are too smart enough, I know that, but sometimes we also think that we are more smart enough than, all the life we know on this planet, on Earth. So the best thing about universe is life. What the best thing we have, that every question we have in ourselves, every question arises in us, we can seek answer for that. That is the most beautiful thing we have. And when I talk about the significance of the universe, our significance in the universe is that we can ask anything in the universe, any question in the universe, and we can find answer. It is not small thing, man. It's not small thing. So that is our significance, that we can become one with the universe by our understanding, by our questioning, by our seeking the answers of the question we arise within ourselves. It is not a small thing. Humans are born, and after born, then they find that what was happened before, 100 of years ago in outer the earth, and where we born, and where we find. That's the special, how this is much special and significant we are in the universe. We are not even living that place, we know about that place. You are seeing, we didn't, and we We yet didn't go out, out of the solar system, but we know that there are thousands of planets out of the solar system. We know there are 220 billion galaxy to 200 billion galaxy in the universe, and this is we observe yet. This is come in our observable universe. So this much special and significant we are in the universe. This much special and significant we are in the universe. Life is the best thing in the universe, and we are very grateful for the universe that we are born, man. And every question we can ask. So you are thinking that how much bigger thing is that we are born on this planet and we are finding that there are 200 billion galaxies. How beautiful is that? So some people who think and talk about that we are too special or we are too little and we are too small in this vast cosmos. What they do wrong. I'm not anyone to judge anyone, but I'm saying my personal point of view. They feel separated from the universe. They feel separated, like they are not part of the universe. And the one who feel diverging and converging same time, simultaneously, who knows that with the facts, not just believe that, who knows with the fact that we are one with the universe. Our body is made of the energy component. These are the most common component which exist in the universe. Carbon, it is too much found in the universe. We need oxygen to breathe. They are too much found in the universe. We come from the star. These all the things make us special and significant, and our place in the universe is very special and significant. Suppose how much evolved we are that we can find question of ourselves and we can answer for ourselves, and we can find answer for other people also if they want. You are seeing how much better we are. So the moment we realize and we see, because I'm a scientist, artist and teacher, in art I can say that believe or something or like that. Even art I don't say. I create art and you feel. What you feel, it's yours. But in science I'm saying that I'm not saying going to believe you anything. Even art I don't say anything that believe or don't believe. But even science I'm saying that we have to see the truth. There's nothing like believing. No, believe in science, man. If you believe, you are not a scientist and you are not following science, you are making fool of yourself. So we are one with the universe. It is not just only a poetic line. But what is a poetic line now? But come to the point that it is not a poetic line. It is true, man. It is true. It is scientifically true, man. That we are one with the universe. And every time, question arises in your mind that we are small. Not even yours. I'm not anyone to advise. I am including myself. Even sometimes that then question arises in us. Okay, I am including myself that we are small in the universe, and when we feel sometimes tough in life, then we have to remember that we are one with the universe. Scientifically, spiritually, poetically, mathematically, geometrically, emotionally, psychologically, mentally, everything. In every dimension of life, in every sphere of life, in every sphere of space, in every sphere of space and time, we are one with the universe. Okay? So, in every sphere of time and in every sphere of space, we are one with the universe. We are one with the universe. And we all are very special and significant in the universe, because life is the most special and significant thing in the universe. Most special thing. Thank you.